I'm meteorologist Rod Hill, bringing you basically a wind forecast for the fire burning in the Rowena area and threatening to move to the east in Wasco County during the day on this Thursday. Last evening, Wednesday night, Matt Safino put together this time lapse. You could see the fire that started yesterday afternoon, how much smoke it was quickly putting out as it spread at the time to reportedly more than 2,000 acres. On this Thursday, this is in the 8:30 half hour this morning from the Oregon Veterans Home cameras showing the smoke from the Dalles looking back, of course, to the west. And the wind report, this is 8:30 on this Thursday morning at the airport in the Dalles, northwest 23, gusting the 33. That'll be a very consistent wind today. More on that in a moment. Of course, we'll be tracking air quality. Now, this shows in yellow from DEQ, moderate air quality out near that fire on this Thursday morning. Here's the computer model weather forecast. Now, we know that during the AM hours, the actual conditions are exceeding this projection. We know it's been gusting to 30 in the 8 o'clock hour. Now, the modeling shows the winds picking up somewhat this afternoon. Most forecast charts show in the 4, 5, 6 o'clock hour today that we'll see consistent winds between 25 and 35 miles per hour. Now, while that sounds horrible, there is some good news. Two elements of good news. Number one, this is not considered extreme for that area. I bring that up because firefighters fight blazes in this area, sadly, too often, but they're used to these conditions. And the fact that the wind is coming in from the northwest consistently, fire crews have already reported to KGW TV that they will be doing burns on the east flank of this fire today, hopefully setting up a containment line that would stop the fire from moving to the east closer to the Dalles. Remember, we started this Thursday with that fire being within about 2.5 miles of the Dalles. So that's going to be something to watch. How successful are crews with doing some burns to set up a containment line to where you folks in the Dalles do not see this fire march any closer to you. On the smoke model forecast, which is showing winds from the west-northwest pushing the smoke to the east. Here's the main plume illuminated in red and yellow. And then here's the thinning smoke in blue dispersing perhaps all the way, at least to some note, all the way across the Idaho border during today. This also showed the smoke laying down somewhat overnight tonight, but then reinvigorating during the day Friday. And of course, that will depend on how much progress the crews can make on this Thursday. I'm meteorologist Rod Hill with the weather wind part of the story as KGW News continues to track the fire burning in Rowena.